Welcome to Lesson 3 of our mini-course series, on how to optimize your bot flow using BotStar CMS. In the last lesson, you've already learned to add items manually, to showcase fashion products for Monoco Shop. So today, we gonna show you how to use CMS feature, to manage and update all of these clothing items, in case you have a lot of products. So first thing we have to do is to define and prepare the data types you want, for the Monoco Fashion Shop Chatbot, to showcase clothing products. You may ask yourself some questions to prepare for CMS. Does the CMS create a positive user experience? What's the goal of the CMS for Monoco Shop? Which content do I want to showcase? How many clothing products can I display? How can I create and update the list of fashion items? After answering these questions, you should prepare the list of clothing items for Monoco Shop, such as photos, price tags, descriptions, etc. You can also use the sample file about CMS items in the description of this video. That's all planning for CMS items, and now let's start managing them using CMS feature. In Lesson 2, you've learned how to manually showcase products for Monoco Shop, as in flowchart using horizontal list block. So in this part, you will learn how to showcase and manage these items without putting many efforts. To do that, we will set up CMS Data. List CMS items in quick response. List CMS items in block. Drill down CMS Data. Now, we will show you on how to set up CMS Data for Monoco Shop. Go to Bot Builder. Select CMS. Click on New CMS Entity. Enter the entity name. And click on the Create button. Click on the configuration symbol to start editing this entity. To add a new field, click on the New Field. Enter the field name. And choose the data type. You can use data type as entity's reference to link to another entity by creating two entities. So you can link products to category entity to categorize clothing items. After creating CMS entities, we will start to create CMS items for each entities. Click on each entity, and press the New Item button to add a new items. Fill in all needed information like name, price, photo, description and category. Then click on Create button. Good job! Let's see the list of clothing items for Monoco Shop after finishing. After creating CMS entities and items, now you have to insert them into blocks in the Flow editor. Choose CMS in Quick Response to use CMS Data. Click on Set up CMS Quick Responses, and choose Entity Category to show menu including 3 options: T-shirts, skirts and dresses. Next, we will show you how to list CMS data in blocks. Drag and drop a horizontal list block. Enable Use CMS Data. Choose Entity as Product. Click on Image Element. Select CMS and Image Sources. Select the field Photo to showcase the clothing images. Select Text Element. Click on Insert Variables symbol to insert the title. Enable Expect User Response to save user response for Choose Category block. Connect two blocks using a connector, then set up conditions based on user response of Choose Category block to display the right clothing items as you expect. Well done. Now you can drill down CMS data to describe more clothing items for Monoco Shop. It provides your customers with more information about items. Insert the details of clothing items by drill down CMS data into text element using Insert Variables. After completing Setup CMS, let's test them on Preview. Your bot flow might look like this after using CMS. Click Test on Preview to see the result. Congratulations! After finishing Lesson 3 of the mini-course, you have already created a simple chatbot for Monoco Fashion Shop. In the next lessons, we will guide you on how to collect and manage your store orders better.